Looking for a smarter way to build retaining walls that save you money and last longer? Meet Geogrid retaining walls, the game changer in soil reinforcement. Geogrid is a high-strength mesh that strengthens soil and keeps your walls rock solid, no matter the challenge. Why choose Geogrid? First, it boosts stability by preventing erosion and wall collapse. Second, it is cost-effective, cutting down on expensive materials and heavy excavation. Plus, it improves drainage so water won't damage your walls. And the best part, it is eco-friendly, reducing concrete use and supporting greener construction. All this means faster builds, lower costs, and walls that stand the test of time. Ready to upgrade your project with Geogrid retaining walls? Don't wait. Save time, cut costs, and build smarter today. Contact us now to discover how Geogrid can transform your construction. Stronger walls, bigger savings. It is that simple.